If you use the Danale CMS on your computer, you might have noticed something strange lately. When you try to log in with your Danale account, after entering your information and clicking Login, the program shows an error message saying, "Initialization failed. Please try again later." But the problem doesn't go away. It's been like this for days. So in this video, I'll show you a simple way to fix this problem, or better yet, to work around it. Instead of using the Danale CMS, we'll run the Danale mobile app directly on your computer using an Android emulator called Bluestacks. This method works smoothly and gives you access to your cameras just like on your phone. Here on the channel, we always bring you new videos about Danale, updates, fixes, and solutions for common issues like this one. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our next tutorials. To get started, open your browser and search for Bluestacks on Google. Then, go to the official Bluestacks website and open the Downloads page. You'll see that they offer a version for Windows and also for Mac. Just make sure to download the version that matches your operating system. Once the file has finished downloading, open it to start the installation. The process is very simple. Just follow the instructions on the screen, and Bluestacks will take care of the rest. If you run into any problems or have questions during the installation, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out. After finishing the Bluestacks installation, the next step is to install the Danale app. There are two ways to do this. The first one is by signing in with your Google account, which gives Bluestacks access to the Google Play Store, just like on your phone. The second option is to install the app manually, using the installer file. In this video, we'll start with the first method. After opening Bluestacks, go to the search bar at the top and type Danale. You'll see a button that says Search in Play Store. Click on it, and Bluestacks will ask you to sign in with a Google account. At this point, you can either create a new account or use an existing one. Once you finish signing in, you'll be taken to the Google Play Store page for the Danale app. From there, click Install and wait until the process is complete. When it's done, the Danale icon will appear on the Bluestacks home screen, ready to use. If you prefer, you can also install the Danale app manually. To do this, first download the Danale APK file from a trusted website. Once the download is complete, open Bluestacks and click the button that says Install APK. Then, browse to the folder where you saved the file, select it, and click Open. Bluestacks will install the app automatically. After the installation is finished, you'll see the Danale icon appear on the home screen. Open it and log in using your Danale account, just like you would on your phone. This will give you access to all your cameras right from your computer. And that's it. Now you can access your Danale cameras on your computer using Bluestacks. This is a great alternative while the Danale CMS software is still showing the login error. We'll keep following any updates from Danale, and as soon as there's an official fix, we'll share it here on the channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our next tutorials. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and see you in the next video.